For the third time, BJP has won in Assam. It is no more about a political party, it is about the identity, development, and what the Assam sees in the future. So, in today's editorial, we're going to talk about it. Come, let's have a look. Recently in Assam, the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP led alliance won the state elections again with a strong majority. But this victory is important for more reasons than just numbers. First of all, let's talk about why is Assam politically unique. Now, Assam is a very diverse state. People here differ in language, in religion, in ethnicity and tribal identity. When we talk about language, there are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, etc. When we talk about religion, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, tribal faiths, etc. and tribal and ethnicity identity. Now, because of this diversity, politics in Assam is often linked to identity issues. For example, who is a real Assamese? Who is an outsider or immigrant? How should resources and job be distributed? A major issue in Assam has been the illegal immigration from Bangladesh, which has historically created fear among the locals about losing their land, cultural identity and political power. This led to the historic Assam movement, where people protested against the illegal immigration. Now, why did BJP win? Identity, number one, identity politics. Number two, welfare plus development. Number three, weak opposition. Now let us talk about the multi-dimensions of this particular article. So the first is the political dimension. Rise of BJP as dominant force in Northeast, decline of the opposition in traditional strongholds. Then there is a social dimension. Politics based on religion, language and migration concerns can increase polarization, division between the communities. Then there is an economic dimension. Welfare politics matter. Voters reward governments for direct benefits. Then there is a cultural dimension. Strong assertion of Assamese identity. Regional identity remains central despite national parties growing stronger. Lastly, there is a security dimension. Border states politics linked with migration, citizenship and national security. There have been concerns and criticism also. While the BJP gained politically, this model can create challenges like Hindu-Muslim polarization, us versus them politics and minority alienation, deepening identity divides. So the article suggests that it's BJP's win is a mix of governance, welfare delivery, identity assertion and political polarization as well. Okay, now this becomes highly relevant for UPSC, GS paper 2, electoral politics in India, federalism and regional politics, representation of minorities, GS paper 1, regionalism, identity politics, social diversity in the Northeast, and for essay also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.